5 best cooking apps for iPhone and iPad. As the holidays approach, you might want to invite an extra super helpful guest into your kitchen, your iPad, or iPhone. Every day, developers are cooking up new apps that let you get up close and personal with your favorite celebrity chef or your favorite cookbook or food magazine. And these apps are time-saving, interactive, fun, informative, and sometimes even stunning. We tried a bunch to find the best for cooking, baking, inspiration, and organization. Helpful functions that are common in cooking apps include a shopping list, built-in timers, a recipe box or favorites button, and an easy recipe sharing tool that connects to email and social networks. Worried about splattering your high-tech device? There are a variety of protective stands made for the kitchen, or simply slip it in a freezer bag. The recent rumpus about the BBC's plans for its recipes websites showed how many of us are turning to digital sources rather than traditional books when cooking. Inevitably, there are apps for that. Lots of them. Here are 10 of the best cookery apps for Android and iOS, covering various cuisines, themes, and age groups/abilities. Prices are correct at the time of writing, and IAP refers to in-app purchases, usually for extra bundles of recipes in this case. 1. Kitchen Stories. Kitchen Stories is much more than a simple recipe application. Offers a complete culinary experience with more than 10,000 recipes, how-to videos, tips, articles, and an active community of cooking enthusiasts. This application will help you improve your culinary skills and to explore new flavors from around the world. Additionally, the platform gives you the opportunity to plan your meals and create personalized shopping lists. Of course, you can bookmark your favorite recipes and receive daily inspiration in the form of culinary stories. 2. Yummy recipes and cooking tools. There's no doubt that artificial intelligence is filling the world with helpful tools for your everyday life, and that includes cooking. Dumbly is one of the few cooking apps you'll find on the App Store that uses AI to suggest recipes that you'll love. Of course, at first the app won't be 100% accurate, but the more you use the app, the more it can learn about you and provide better suggestions for you. So don't worry if you don't want to use AI, though. You can use the different filters the app has to find the perfect recipe for you. What's cool is that you use the search feature and use the food you have that's about to expire. This will help you make some last-minute awesome dishes and waste less food in the process. Besides that, you'll also find a smart shopping tool that will help you create your perfect grocery list. You don't have to use it just for food, you can also use it for other items as well. 3. Green Kitchen. Green Kitchen is an ideal iOS platform for fans of healthy cooking. Offers different recipes, main dishes, appetizers, and healthy drinks. With it, you can explore 153 special recipes carefully selected to satisfy your culinary preferences. Additionally, you will have the option to access 28 additional exclusive recipes through integrated purchases if you want to expand your culinary repertoire. The application allows you to change language quickly and easily, which facilitates accessibility. You can also save your favorite recipes to find them quickly and enjoy several photos for each recipe.